I know a transmission specialist who has rebuilt over 1,000 transmissions. He told me something important. When I see a Silverado pass 200,000 miles on the original transmission, I know that owner is lucky. That owner chose right. If your transmission made it past 200,000 miles original, you're part of a special club. Subscribe now and hit that bell. Every day at 8 p.m., new Silverado video. Comment your year with miles. Today, you're going to discover why you're one of the lucky ones.
Let's be real here. The transmission is the heart of your truck. It's what makes it work. And most Silverado transmissions are good, really good. 4L60, solid when properly maintained. 6L80, excellent. New 10 speeds, very capable. But getting to 200,000 miles with the original transmission, no rebuild, no replacement, that's special. The transmission specialist explains 200,000 doesn't happen by accident. 3 things have to go right simultaneously. First, you chose the right year. It wasn't every year, it was one of the good years. Second, you maintained it correctly. Fluid on time, temperature controlled. Third, you drove smart, didn't abuse it, respected the transmission. He sees thousands of trucks, and he knows 200,000 on original trans, top 10%. Elite. Lucky, smart. Doesn't matter if it's GMT 800, GMT 900, or K2XX. If your transmission made it past 200,000 original, you got it right. Let's discover exactly why. 200,000 miles is the definitive milestone. Why is this number so special? The transmission specialist explains the pattern he sees. 100,000 miles, normal. Practically every transmission gets here. It's expected. 150,000 miles, good. Most well-maintained transmissions reach this, still common. 200,000 miles, elite. Only the best make it here, top 10%. And here's the secret. If your transmission hit 200 original, it's going far. The transmission specialist says 200,000 is the ultimate test. If it passed 200, it'll go 300, 400, it'll run forever. Why? Because it passed the test of everything. Extreme heat, passed. Extreme cold, passed. Heavy towing, passed. Years of use, passed. Your transmission at 200,000, it's not a question if it'll last, it's a question of how much longer it'll last. You have proven transmission, tested transmission, winning transmission.
How did your transmission reach 200,000 miles original? 3 things you did absolutely right. First thing, you chose a good year. Transmission specialist is clear. It's not every Silverado year. There are specific years where the transmission is stronger. GMT 800 has excellent years. GMT 900 has years where the 6L80 is bulletproof. You chose one of those. You researched, you studied, or you got smart luck, but you got the year right. Second thing, you changed fluid correctly. Transmission specialist, 90% of transmission failures. Old fluid, high temperature, neglected maintenance. You didn't do that. You changed fluid at 50, 60,000 miles. You didn't wait for the manufacturer to say lifetime fluid and believe it. You knew fresh fluid is long life. You did it right. Third thing, you drove smart. You didn't take off with a cold transmission. You didn't tow overload without a transcooler. You didn't floor it all the time. You respected the transmission, and the transmission respected you back. Transmission specialist sums it up. 200,000 isn't just luck. It's right choice, plus right care, plus smart use. It's you who made this happen. You deserve the credit. You did this. Your transmission made it past 200,000 original? Here's exactly what to do now to reach 300, 400, 500,000. First, keep doing exactly what you've been doing. It worked perfectly. Second, change fluid religiously every 50,000 miles maximum. Transmission specialist. Transmission with 200,000 deserves premium fluid. This isn't the time to cheap out. This is the time to invest. Use quality synthetic fluid. Change the filter with it. The transmission will thank you with another 100,000 miles. Third, if you don't have one, install an external transmission cooler. Temperature is enemy number 1. External cooler drops temperature 20-30 degrees. That's an easy 50,000 more miles. Fourth, don't let anyone convince you to flush the transmission. Transmission specialist. Transmission with 200,000 running well? I never flush. Just change fluid and filter normally. Flush can knock loose debris and kill a good transmission. Change, yes. Flush, no. And most important, don't sell that truck. Transmission with 200,000 proven? That's worth gold. The next owner will pay premium for that. Or better yet, keep it. Drive it to 500,000, to 600,000. You have rarity. You have proof. You have legend. If your transmission made it past 200,000 miles original, you didn't get lucky by accident. You chose the right year. You maintained it the right way. You drove it smart. You're part of the top 10%. Silverado Elite, the smart lucky ones. Now, I want to know how many miles are on your original transmission. 200,000? Comment your year with miles now. 300,000? You're a legend. Comment. 400,000 or more? You're a myth. Comment now. And if you haven't hit 200,000 yet, comment too. We'll help you get there with the right tips. Like this video, share with other Silverado owners, subscribe and hit that bell. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., Frame Inspector reveals the years with indestructible frames. Could be yours. You didn't get lucky by accident. You're smart. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.